What's going on, man? It's your boy Jay, aka 2J's Kicks, one of the owners of Urban Necessities here at Sneakercon Sydney. And I got a feeling it's gonna be a crazy show, man. So make sure you watch the entire video. Love.
Yo, we're here.
Is that really what you're about?
This is what we're really doing. I can't be bothered getting my phone.
Really what you're doing?
I can't be bothered getting my camera out there. So we are walking to our terminal now. We are on our way to Sneakercon in Sydney. Yeah.
Well, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our Qantas Go chair, Jetstar MasterCard.
Yo, what is up, guys? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So we have just landed in Sydney. So we have currently just got our rental car. I'm actually with Hal, if you guys haven't noticed already, and we are being travel buddies. He's actually in the back doing his vlog too, so I'm gonna do my vlog as well. And we're just kind of making our way now to Sneakercon. It's really gonna be a really exciting day. Can't actually wait to see some of you guys there, and yeah, to see how all this kind of unfolds out. So let's get going, guys. Here's our Mercedes-Benz.
Right here, just leave a comment down below.
See how doing this behind the scenes. So I think we around Chinatown area. We just had breakfast. This how. This how there. We had yum cha. It was delicious. Thanks, Hal. Definitely got to get some more yum cha in my life. But yeah, we're gonna go check out the actual ICC area now. Let's go. Thanks, Hal. So what's up, guys? We are at the ICC. As you can see there. We're just making our way to the front. It's gonna be really cool. I don't know. First impressions. You're gonna see here. Yo, what's up, guys? So we are inside now of the actual ICC, or in the actual event area, and I've got to admit, it's getting pretty exciting if you know what I'm talking about. So I got my little, I don't know what you call it. I don't know if you guys see it, the little stamp. So it's official. I can come in and out now, guys. So all the vendors are just basically setting up now. Okay, let's have a look around. There's Anna doing her makeup. Yeah. We don't have it in Melbourne.
We've got it in Melbourne.
Oh, do we?
It's in the city somewhere.
Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm checking out this Travis Scott ones, the ones that just recently came out. And man, they do look special in hand. I don't know if you guys can see it. So they have an app where you can actually put your outfits there, your actual photos and stuff. And then you can, is it buy and sell as well?
Oh yeah.
Pretty much, yeah. So it's pretty cool. Oh, here, I'll show you guys.
It's kind of nice. You have all your outfits. You can buy everything. You can sell it.
Pretty cool. Yeah. So it's almost like Goat, the Goat app. It's based in Shanghai, China. So definitely check it out. Check it out. So I'm actually trying to convince Hal to buy one of these. He wants to buy it for basketball, so he really wants to get it, so I'm trying to convince him to get it. Because these actually do really look really interesting, and because of the whole custom fit thing, it seems like the best thing, like the best option to actually buy for basketball, but yeah.
Have a look at the other one. Bro, it's all in here. Oh, yeah, like the other one on this. I'm actually selling this one. Is that right? This one. This one. With the... 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100.
Yo, what's up guys? So as I always do whenever I'm at the Lace Space booth, I always promote you know, their boxes because they got some pretty dope boxes here. So grab a deal guys, check out Lace Space online and have a look at all their kind of storage solutions, because I know that these guys are coming up with some pretty cool storage, like different kind of boxes and stuff, so go check it out. TJ's Kicks.
Talk about your shoes.
Hey Jay, what do you think about my sneakers, man?
Who did them?
His name's Chase Shield. It's a custom.
The suede is crazy.
Yeah.
What's it say? Fish and chips?
It's Chase and Piyama. That's a custom. So it's like a playoff of
No,
the
the tracks. No,
yeah,
the execution's great,
yeah,
bro.
man. And you can, he actually did interchangeable
He gave you a purple one?
yeah, purple and everything.
Wow, they look great.
Yeah, man.
No, wear them in gray health, bro. They look awesome. They look awesome.
So what's up guys? So I can actually see the line outside and it's actually a lot of people.
I'll take a photo of it just in case we lose it.
Sneakercon is going to open up very soon. I think they're going to be letting people in eventually, and yeah, it's quite cozy. I like it. I can actually notice that the whole floor. I don't know if you guys can see behind me, but that's like another section of the floor. So they kind of divided it into two, and yeah, which makes it like a lot more cozier, which is, I think it's really nice. You know, there's a whole nice spread of vendors around, like with different kind of stuff, and really interesting kind of vendors as well. There's also, of course, a lot of resellers and stuff. With, I don't know, so it's good to see like a different mix of sneakers and a different range of sneakers as well. So I'm just here sitting next to the sneaker laundry. That's where I'm leaving my stuff today, and yeah, it's really exciting. I'm also gonna unveil my sneakers, the one that I'll be actually wearing. It's actually from Chase Shield. If you guys don't know who he is, please check out the links below, or check out this link below. Chase Shield, thank you so much for letting me use this now. Like, I'm so happy that I actually get a chance to actually wear these, and I'll show you guys now. Let's get to it.
What, are you gonna buy?
Yo, what's up guys? I have to talk real quick before I get demonetized, but so Sneakercon's sort of like dying down now, and I'm here with Lawman.
Massive big event. Oh, hey fam.
And he just finished up, and he's been here for a while, but like we just met up now. I'm just gonna have another quick look around and let's see.
Yeah, because it's 3 Chase Shield shoes, bro.
Yo, what's up guys? So it is officially the end of Sneakercon Sydney for 2019.
See you, Lawrence. Get home safe.
And we are heading off now, so yeah, thoughts and reviews coming right up soon. But yeah, like right now I think it was a really good day. It was really a lot of fun seeing old friends, and you know, seeing 2J's Kicks, Yeezy Bus. Took a photo with him, cool guy. And yeah, there was a lot of like different kind of vendors. Once again, it was a lot of fun, and yeah, I'll definitely come back to the next one. If there is one in Melbourne again this year, I'll go to that one. If there's another one next year, I'll probably go to that one too. So yeah. I'm probably gonna go head out with Hal and the rest of the crew. I don't know if I'm gonna end it here, but I will. So if you did enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's got my shit in it, but
See you later, guys. I'll see you guys. Melvin?